Hey loves, thanks for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get this cute high puff, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start by tying the ends of my hair up into a little ugly ponytail. And then I'm going to spray the perimeter of my hair, and me tying it up just gets the curls out of the way so that they don't frizz up on me. And then I usually like to go in with Eco Styler gel first, doesn't matter which kind you use, and then I'll follow that up with some Got2b glue just to give it an actual hold, because Eco Styler doesn't do anything for my hair but define it. So I like to spray it once more because I don't like that dry feeling after applying gels. And then I'll just rake it through with a small tooth comb just so that I know it can lay flat, and then I'll brush it. So I got this, it's not a ponytail holder, but it's like a sock or a stocking, and it already comes like that. I get it from the Dollar Tree, and I think there's like 3 in a pack, but this is like way better on my head, and I don't get headaches with it. I can loosen it up during the day, and I don't know, it allows me to make my ponytails versatile versus having to tie it up one kind of way and then I can't loosen it. So I'm probably a little too old for these, but me just having a high puff makes me look super young, and I'm 24, so I need I need to look my age, but natural hair makes me look a lot younger. I hear it all the time. So I just brought out the edges and, well, the little sides. I don't really know what that's called, but I just brung out my little sides, curled those up with Eco Styler gel only, and then I'm doing my edges. And sorry, it's kind of blurry. Hopefully it gets better. But I got this, what is it, edge brush from my local beauty supply store. Man, these things are expensive just to be combing through edges. But they're like $3, and it's perfect though. I can't like complain. So I'm just using a little bit more Eco Styler gel for both sides, just so that they can hang a little bit more. And no Got2b glue on these because I don't want it crunchy. And if you can, I use this red bandana only because it was the only one I have, and I tied it up for like 5 or 10 minutes, but I wish I would have put it longer. But if you have like a black bandana or a silk scarf, I would use that instead, because the red just left a residue on my head and I don't like it at all. And then here I'm just making my puff a little bit bigger, but I'm also adding some coconut gel. Whoa, coconut oil. I don't really even know if there's a coconut gel, but coconut oil, and it makes my hair shine and it keeps it protected during this Florida sun. So I'm gonna take it off, but you guys can tell, like, since I didn't let it dry all the way, I had somewhere to go, shoot. But since I didn't let it dry all the way, it kind of came up a little bit. But if you can, just let it like chill out and dry just a little bit more. You can always like go back and flatten it, but nobody has time for that. But yeah, this is all. Thank you guys for watching. It wasn't a long tutorial, thank God. But yeah, I love my ponytails. I guess it doesn't make me look too young, but if I just did it the regular way, it probably would have. Anyways, follow me on Instagram at missaliyahgowdy. Leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Oh yeah, and leave me a comment. I love those too. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you guys.